Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to be discussing another Thai immigration form, specifically the TM86 application for change of visa. That's this right here. As you can see, 2 pages. Have a little box there for visa photos. As with some of the other immigration forms, this form's brevity is somewhat misleading insofar as there's a great deal of documentation that's probably also going to be necessary for the individual that needs to change their visa status. The thing to take away from this video, from personal and professional experience in the past, I can say that the application for change of visa is rather a cumbersome process, and frankly, it's my personal opinion that the immigration officers don't, as a matter of course, really like to undertake them. They would actually prefer if the individual changing visa status basically left the kingdom, got the proper visa at an embassy or consulate abroad, and then returned to the kingdom in that proper status in order to extend thereafter. That being said, there are extenuating circumstances. There are circumstances where an individual does need to change their visa status, and it's a sort of a meritorious reason for that change. And for that reason, immigration will allow it. But that being said, they do have a substantial backlog at immigration, and in a lot of cases, it's been my experience that they basically would just prefer to see an individual go ahead and leave the country, get the proper visa, and come back in. Some exceptions to that sort of general policy thinking, most notably where one is changing business visa status or changing over from one business to the other. It may be necessary to change the status in country. I have seen circumstances where that has been sort of accepted or more readily accepted. Another one is where an individual gets married in the kingdom and maybe on a B visa or an ED visa or even a retirement visa, really any other kind of visa. They get married and they want to go ahead and change status into an O visa. I have seen circumstances where immigration officers were a little bit more sort of amenable, for lack of a better term, to going ahead and undertaking that type of change of status. But those who just kind of don't really want to leave and they're just looking to change over from one visa status to another, I have seen instances where basically immigration officers in their discretion have sort of refused to change the visa status in country, and they've basically requested, look, you need to leave, come back in on proper visa status from a visa issued from an embassy or consulate abroad, and go ahead and extend thereafter. So the thing to take away from this is there's no guarantee that the change of status will be permitted. Moreover, there is more than just a couple of documents usually associated with a change of visa. So depending on circumstances, one may want to go ahead and research or get a legal professional to assist in changing one's visa status over here in the kingdom.